Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Microsoft 365 apps on a new PC from Account Portal. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Go to the official Microsoft website. Sign in to your Microsoft account. If prompted, enter your email address and click Next. Type in your password and select Sign In. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Services and Subscriptions section. Look for the Microsoft 365 subscription you want to install. Click on the Install button next to your subscription. A new page will appear with your installation options. Select your preferred language and version if prompted. Click Install again to begin downloading the setup file. Wait for the download to complete. Once the download is finished, locate the setup file. Double-click the setup file to start the installation process. If a user account control prompt appears, click Yes to allow the installation. The Office Setup program will now open. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Choose whether to accept the license agreement and click Accept. Select the installation type if prompted, such as typical, or wait for the installation to finish. Once completed, you will see a confirmation message. Click Close to finish the installation process. Now, open any Microsoft 365 app like Word or Excel. You may be prompted to sign in again. Use your Microsoft account credentials. Once signed in, you can start using your Microsoft 365 apps. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.